Welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw an ice cream cone character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our ice cream character. The first thing we want to do is draw a really big dome, and this will be the top of the ice cream scoop. We want to add that ice cream that gets stuck down here at the bottom. Just a series of curved lines there. All right, we're going to put a face on our ice cream cone. So down here towards the bottom, we are going to do 2 circles. 1 and 2. And I'm going to put little eyelashes on here. Our ice cream cone is going to be very, very happy, so we're going to add a little smile. And we'll add 2 eyebrows, 1 and 2. Now we're going to add a little decoration. We're going to add a few sprinkles up here. You have to have sprinkles on top of your ice cream cone. And the other thing that we need on top is a cherry. So to do that, we'll add a small circle that has a little stem there. Okay, now we're going to add the cone, which is essentially a triangle shape down here. So we'll come down to a point and back up. Now this is going to be a waffle cone, so we're going to put some grid lines on here to show that it's been pressed in the waffle maker. So we'll just do a few diagonal lines. We'll start with them going that direction, and then we'll switch and go the opposite direction for the next set of lines. All right, there we have the outline for our ice cream character. Now we get to add some color. So go ahead and get your markers, colored pencils, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. The very last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, illustrators. I loved drawing our ice cream cone characters together. I hope that you enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!